To the June 2026 PTLE takers, this is it, Pansit. Yung months of sacrifices, puyat, and yung mga review sessions na parang wala ng katapusan, this will all be worth it. Trust your preparations, your hard work, and of course, God and yourself. I know hindi naging madali yung journey, but remember, hindi kayo dadalhin sa situation na to para lang sumuko.
Hello mga future PTRPs and my future colleagues. So habang papalapit na ang board exam, normal lang na maka-feel ng kaba o kaya mag-doubt sa sarili. Pero tandaan nyo, hindi kayo umabot dito ng walang dahilan.
Good luck PTRPs, gawin nyo lahat ng best nyo kasi isang push na lang yan. No? So kailangan, huwag nyo kalimutan na isipin nyo lagi na practice exam lang yan para lahat ng napag-aralan nyo hindi nyo makakalimutan.
Na-conquer na ninyo ang Compre, ang mock boards, and Revada. So sure kami na kayang-kaya nyo rin yung board exam. So ace the board exam, and ngayon pa lang congratulations PTRPs.
Sa lahat ng sakripisyo, paghihirap sa pag-aaral at pagpupuyat, alam kong kaya niyan. Trust yourself and trust all the preparations you made. You are ready for this.
We just want to wish you good luck. We know you can. Give your best. Don't think of anything else. One question at a time. I'm sure you have covered everything already. I'm sure you're capable of answering those questions. Can't wait to see the results. So, good luck.
Good luck sa inyong lahat. So ito na yung hinihintay ninyo. Isang kembot na lang and then magiging full-fledged PTRP na kayo. So good luck on your exam. Alam kong kayang-kaya nyo yan.
Hi future PTRPs, itong 5 to 6 months na puyat at sacrifice, temporary lang yan. Pero ang PTRP sa dulo ng pangalan ninyo, lifetime achievement yan. Pahinga saglit, laban ulit.
Just breathe, relax, stay focused, and I know you can make it. Good luck.
We are praying for you. One fine day, PTRPs. Good luck to all ULFO takers, June 2026.
Rooting for all of you future colleagues.
You are more capable, you are more prepared, and stronger than you think. Faith over fear.
Gawin nyo lahat ng best nyo para sa 4 na letra at para sa lisensya.
Congratulations in advance and good luck sa inyong lahat.
So congrats in advance PTRPs.
Kaya natin yan.
Claim mo na yan. Agyo mo yan, balo ko, PTRP na ka.
This is bruised, this is who I'm meant to be, this is me.